Hello everyone, so I hope I'm audible to all of you as well as my screen is visual to all of you. Give me a quick confirmation if I'm audible and
Yes,
my
yes,
screen is
sir.
visual to you. Okay, so from background you can hear the sound, but you will have to carry those that is coming from my roommate, so I can't stop it. Now talking about today, we are going to learn about that one project web-based application in that hibernate. So we'll see that how to utilize all those things like front end as well as back end in using that in Java, like using that as hibernate framework, isn't it? So we'll go with that complete front end as well as back end. So that project name is basically, you can if you will Google, you will be getting similar kind of project at many time, at many places you may be getting. But remember that our main intention is what? Our main intention is to learn the control flow. Our main intention is to learn what? How this project is actually we are building. What are the ways, what are the methods, what are the technology we are using, how we are using, where we are using, after using, how that things is actually practically working, isn't it? So those things we need to learn. That's it. If we learn those things accordingly on similar kind of project or any other kind of project, we can work very effectively or not. Yes, that is guarantee. So never think that this project is available over Google. You will be getting it everywhere. You may be getting at many places, but remember, attend this session very carefully up to the end till we'll finish this project. This project will be very much useful for you, as we have worked in GSP and Servlet also. That project was a very good project. On over there we have used a lot of technology, isn't it? Front end, back end, JDBC, as well as to connect with the database, a lot of SQL queries, nested SQL queries, or many more we have seen over there. As well as session tracking, we have seen over there, session tracking, JSTL, front end, a lot of things we have learned over there. As well as we have learned within a single login page how we can handle that single login page for both admin and user, right? Their backend code we have seen. After validating, how to forward that control. If admin will get login, how to forward. If user will get login, how to forward. How to display user page, how to display admin page, isn't it? So all those things we have learned in that GSP and Servlet project. So today we are going with one good project. That project name is what? Expense Tracker, online expense tracker. Talking about this expense tracker, what is meaning of this, and what we are going to do in that expense tracker project. So just you remember that name is what? Online expense tracker. Expense means what? Expense means that the money which you are spending over any product, daily life product, or any kind of investment you are doing. For that you are going to keep a record or track. So at our room, actually, at our room, if we are spending our money, then we are managing one diary or notes. On that piece of paper we are writing that this much amount we have invested for this product at this time, at this date, isn't it? Next day, if we are purchasing something and we are investing some money, those also record we are maintaining in that notepad, isn't it? In the similar way, if we are giving some money to somebody, we are keeping track of that in that uh, piece of paper. And at the end of the month, we are calculating that what is our actual budget, minimum budget that we have spent throughout that month. Accordingly, we can analyze ourselves that this is my minimum requirement, this is my minimum financial condition to carry out complete 1 month, isn't it? So maintaining those kind of things we are going to, so those kind of things we are maintaining on piece of paper, but now everything is digital, isn't it? Everything is digital. It means what? Everything we are keeping record as a digital form, isn't it? In that case also, this expense tracker, we are going to learn, we are going to develop that expense tracker which will keep all these records in digital form, but it will be permanent, isn't it? Means there will be no any data losses until and unless we'll remove it manually. Getting my point?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes. So this online expense tracker, this is one project name. And talking about some brief summary, so you can read it. A simple online expense tracker application which helps users to record and manage their daily income and expenses. This is important or not? Yes, very much important. To like execute human life, this keeping expense tracker is very much important for all of us. It allows manual entry of transactions, categorization like food, travel, bills, and shows spending summaries. With a user friendly interface, it helps track budgets and control over spending. Ideal for personal use, it runs over web or mobile, requiring minimal setup or technical skills. So this is a little bit explanation about that project, but these things we are not going to keep. Like it helps to track budget and control over spending. Ideal for personal use, it runs over web, that is okay. It or mobile application. So let me remove this mobile application because we are not going to host it over internet, isn't it? Now requiring minimal setup or technical skills. Now talking about what are those technical skills we are going to use it inside this project. Remember, so for backend we are going to use Java. For frontend we are going to use HTML. Technology used is what? JSP, Servlet, HTML, CSS, bootstrap. Then we are going to use hibernate framework. We are going to use JDBC. We are going to use Apache Tomcat. We are going to use which one? MySQL or SQL. MySQL is a database, SQL is language for that database, isn't it? JDBC, in this case we are going to use MySQL connector. MySQL connector. Clear? So these much technologies we are going to use, and if extra required we'll see that too also. Now this project will be not a standalone, it will be what? Web based application. Clear? For that we are going to use Maven project. Project name is which one? ExpenseTracker. What are those dependencies we required? That dependencies we need to attach is which one? We'll see that Servlet API. We'll go with that MySQL connector. We required a hibernate core. Since this project we will be building on using that is hibernate framework, so hibernate core dependency is required. MySQL dependency we require to connect with that database. Now Servlet we required, Servlet API we required. If some extra dependency will required, we'll see later on. Clear? Now now we'll do what? We are going to create our project. Clear?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So at this
Sir,
moment let
can
me show you
we
that
go
how
with
to.
that tailwind CSS for that
up to
project?
now just up to now just you focus this, and after finishing this you can create, you can build another application in which any technology you wish you can you can build use that. But my suggestion is throughout this project work you go with that whatever I am explaining,
Okay.
and later on when you will finish this one now, then after you do it by yourself by creating new application. In that you use yourself whatever you wish. Did you got my point?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Tailwind CSS, I don't know, I haven't done practice on that, so I'm not going to use that Tailwind CSS. But you are not restricted, you can use, but not in this project. After, if we'll finish this project na, then later on in that next project on which you will do practice in your available time, on that you can implement any tools you wish. Got it, Suman?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Okay, so let us go with that project. Let me first close this one. Delete, delete project. Yes. File, project, choose Maven, then select next, keep it default, click on next, then remember over here in catalog choose internal, if not available choose internal yourself, then leave it filter as it is, go to the bottom and choose which one, Maven archetype web app, this one you need to choose. After choosing this, no need to do anything, just you click on that next. After clicking next, keep group ID as your wish. This would be the, whenever you will make your jar package na, of this project, with the same name it will get generated. Artifact ID is your project name, so expense tracker, clear? This is your package name, com dot chandan dot expense dot tracker. This will be your default package name. Now click on finish. Let it to be get generated, you must have to be connected with your internet, because dependencies, it require internet connectivity to give a structure of your project as well as to download that required dependency, default dependencies which you needed, isn't it? So those things we'll see. Press Y to allow it for the further success. We can see at the very end it got generated src main resources. Inside that there is no any package which we have given to it, isn't it? For that, first let us go to that build path, right click, go to that build path, configure build path, choose this, edit, then use your workspace default JRE, apply and close. Done. src main Java came, right? Now come to that your here, it will, since it is that by default generated one, so that's the reason it is giving you that error, because GSP tag which required at the very beginning is not available over here, isn't it? Delete it. Done. Error gone, right? Right click on your project. Now after deleting, right click on this, go to that Maven update, select force update, click on OK. Then right click, go to the build path, configure build path. Here you need to attach which one, server. So server, add libraries, in that add libraries, wave library or server runtime. You can choose server runtime, click on next, use which one, 10.1 or 8.5 you can use, or 10.5 would be also fine. Click on next, apply and close. Server got also added over here, right click, go to that Maven update, and then update, force update, select and force update. Is that been done? Yes, it is done. Then what we need to do, we'll see in that web app. Will component, in this component will leave it web app component, web app images, then images in that okay, keep it web.xml, that is okay. Now dependencies we need to attach over here. What kind of dependencies we require? We need to go for mvn repo. In this mvn repo, what we need to do, actually we need to get that dependencies, required dependencies which we required over here, right? So over here Servlet API we require, just simply select Servlet, click on Servlet. Java Servlet API we require this.
Sir, I think 10.1 supported that Jakarta. Yes, sir.
Will force it to support that Jakarta. Don't worry, we'll see that. So we'll come over here, that pom.xml. In that pom.xml we'll add which one? That dependency. That dependency is where we require to actually attach, that dependencies we require to attach in dependencies tag. Is that been done? Yes, provided we should remove that, format it, Java Servlet API. Then we required which one? For database connectivity we required MySQL connector, so that MySQL connector we need to get it. Click on that MySQL connector and let us wait together for that getting available. In that case, see, first one you need to leave it. Which one you need to choose? MySQL connector Java. Click on this. After that, after clicking on this, you choose MySQL connector, anyone you can choose. We'll go with that 32, so choose this one, 32. Select this, come to that form.xml, paste it over here. After pasting, save it. Now we need hibernate, right? Hibernate core, hit enter. So ORM hibernate core, we no need this one, we need hibernate core or relocation. So click on this hibernate core, let us be available. Come over here and choose any one, 7.08. Let us choose this, or 6 parts also we can use that. And take it, come here and paste it. Done, right? Control D, Control S. Done. Now we can look into that libraries or Maven dependency. Is that available or not available, right? I think it is getting hanged. Let us wait together. Libraries, Maven dependency, GRE is 1.8. Maven dependencies, Apache Tomcat server. We can see it over here. Jakarta, Hibernate core, and is there Hibernate relocation? Hibernate core and Hibernate common is available or not? Hibernate common is not available, so we need, if we wish to connect with that, if we wish to use Hibernate framework, two dependencies we must have, two jar file we must have to include. First one is which one? Hibernate core, then second one Hibernate common. So common we are not able to see over here, Hibernate common, right? So what we need to do, we need to change this dependencies. So that dependencies, which one? This dependencies versions will choose another one. So this is 7.08. Let us go with that another anyone. Six point 628. 6.628. Let us have this over here. org, remove this, save it. It's still downloading. Let us wait together. Now see, Hibernate commons came, right? Hibernate core would also be available. Is that available? Hibernate core. This is Hibernate commons. Where is that Hibernate core? This is Hibernate common. But Hibernate core is not available. Yeah, available. This one and this one, both two is available. Now we can work with that Hibernate. We can use that Hibernate framework very easily. So let us go with that. Which one? This is been done. Yes. Now we'll create one index page, GSP. Index.jsp. Is that been done? Yes. Is there any error? No error, right? We'll make it over here, index page, index page, index page. Then we'll go with which one? It's hanging more and more. Okay, so index dot html. Then we'll go with which one? home.gsp, home.gsp. Then we'll go with which one? register.jsp, register.jsp. Register page, register page, then login page, login page, then home page, home page. This is what index page. Done. So let us come over here, right click and run it. Run on server. Use this. Index page is here, right? Yes. So this is index page. Go on bootstrap 5. On this bootstrap, what we need to do, we are going to use bootstrap over here as well as HTML, CSS also. So that CSS, let us copy and paste it over there. Where in that index page, after title, index page, home page, after title, paste it. Then our login page, after title, paste it. Then after registration page, paste it. Control S on that home also, save it. Now we need to do what? We need to use this JS JavaScript CSS bundle or separate bundles. We can use it. Index, and the very next we'll be using this one. Which one? My system is getting hanged. So here we'll paste it. Control Shift F, come here on that home, paste it. Control Shift F, then on login, come here, paste it. Control Shift V, then come to this registrations and paste it over here. Control V, Control Shift F. That's been done. Now what we need, we are going to use which one? That navbar. So will that see that navbar? Is there neighbor available? Template is started. No. EBAR neighbor. We'll use this neighbor. Copy it. Come to that index page. Paste it over there. Where is that index? Over here. Paste it. Done. Yes. On this, if it is done, come here, refresh it. Now just see that will get added. Done, right? So the things which are required for us, those things will keep, and remaining will discard it, isn't it? So that drop down list we not required, the things which are not required will be not taking it. So search box, this form is not required, yes. Disable form, this UL drop down not required, this drop down nothing required, right? So this ULI link li icons not required, right? Control save, come here, refresh. Only home is there, navbar is there, that's it. Okay, good. Now BG dark, make navbar dark, BG also dark. Make it is which one? Expense tracker, that's it. This is what? Home. Okay, fine. Now this UL copy, paste it, instead of ME put MS. Now instead of this home, register page, then login page. Which one? Login. Clear? In case of register, which one we need to choose? Register dot JSP. Over here, login dot JSP. Done. A home means what? Index dot JSP. That's it. But before that, we can use which one? Equal to what? Request dot get context path. Request dot get context path. Okay, then index.jsp. Let us check whether it will work or not. Run it. Index.jsp, ExpenseTracker, come here and run on server. So ExpenseTracker, this is our project name, this is the home, and this is what register, and this is which one, login. You will click on login. Is that's displaying? Yes, login page is getting displayed. You will click on register. Will this register will get shown? So yes, register is also working, right? So this is of which one we were talking. Register, login, home, that is okay. Now what we need to do, we need to add some symbols. For that symbols, what we need to use, font awesome, CDN. This one, CDN, font awesome CDN. This link we need to attach, where is that? Copy this tag, come to your project, before head, paste it, make it Control S, Control Shift F, keep it format, then come on project, choose font awesome icon, font awesome icon. Now we need icons to display on that web application, so font awesome icons, come here, click on this, then choose which one. Okay, so icons, click on that icons, click on icons, choose over here home, choose on free, choose this, then copy this. Once you will click, it will get copied, isn't it? Before this home, just you paste that, that's it. Then come again on this font or some icon, close this. Then after close, which one we need to use? We need to use login. Click on this login. After login, we'll get this one, click on any ones. After clicking this, click on this, get copied, come over here, and again where is that login button? Before that, just we need to save it. This is that logout button icon. This icon will get activated only if will attach this one, CDN, font awesome CDN link, then only it will get activated, or it will get shown. Otherwise it won't get shown over there, right? So this is for login. Then for user which will get registered. So let us see that users. For registration, it means what? Plus symbol, right? Means one user will get added. So click on this, copy it, come here on your project, and after that register, before register, paste it, done, right? One again remaining, which one is that? So that is what expense symbol we need to attach over here, right? So that expense money, click on that money, it has come, see, and choose any one. Is that free? Yes, free. Select, come here, before expense, paste it, Control Shift F. Is that been done? Yes, it's been done. Now come to our project, refresh it. We can see that login, logout, register. We are able to see, right? Login, logout, register. For login, we can make this one green symbol, as well as for logout also we can change that symbol also. Okay, no issue. So that's been home, login, register, that's it. For this, what we need to do, we need to take one Karajo over here, Karajo, page carousel first slide with controls. I will use this slide over here. This is index page. In this index page we'll display that carousel after this h1 tag. Is that been done? Yes, it is been done. We'll refresh and we'll see that carousel. This is which one? That index page. This is index page, but we'll go on that home page over there. We'll display this carousel. Okay, so before that I need to display it on every page. So what we need to do, see, we will click on login. This navbar will go away, gone, right? So we need to put it on all pages. On home also it is not available, right? See, on this home it is available. Actually home means index page only. Okay, on this register there is no any. On register also there is no any navbar available, right? So we need to keep this on registration page, login page and home page also. In case of home page over there, in this home I need to attach which one? Home.jsp index instead of the index.jsp. Control shift F, come over here on our project, refresh it. Just you see, on home page nothing is available, only home. Clear? So those things will be keeping on there. Before that, let me remove this carousel from here because this is not required on this page. Sorry, we need this one at which page? Home page. Over here. Done. Now actually what we need to put on all pages, so we need to copy this navbar on each pages, right? But we are not going to use this navbar. We can do this on each pages. Control C, come here, after body we can paste it. Done. Now after login we can paste it over here too. Done. After registration we can put it navbar over here. Done, right? We have saved it. Now we can see on each pages we will be having those navbar, isn't it? So now see, on home page is that navbar available? Home page navbar available. On that registration page is that navbar available? Yes. Over here also navbar available. On this login page is that navbar available? Yes, available, right? But we can see over here that it is but data redundancy. This navbar we required on each page, but on each page we have displayed this code, right? Can we keep it separate? Yes, we can keep it separate. Where we can keep it separate? At any file we can keep it separate. So this navbar, where I need to keep, let me Control X, come here on component is a folder which I have created. Click on this, select not folder, you click and add which one? JSP. On this just make what? Navbar. Finish it. On this remove everything and paste this. Is that been done? Yes, it is been done. Now in this component will make one CSS JSP and name it what? Required what? JavaScript. Required CSS JS. dot JSP. That's it. In this, remove everything and paste which one, that on that home, remove this. In this navbar we have saved already. Now remove those all. Yes, control S, come here, cut all this link. Is that cut? Yes. Come over here, paste it. Is that been done? Yes. Now what we required, actually we require to attach both this link on each page such that it will get shown. At this moment everything will go away. Now see, only page, login page, only home page, but all things will go away. Why it is showing so? Because on this I need to remove now. So let me remove this redundant code, and this one also done. Yes, carousel will be available, and let me remove this link from here. Done. Come over here, close this navbar, then also close this link. Clear? Done. Come here on registrations. On this registration page, remove this also, and then this is navbar, and this is which one? All CSS. So required CSS we can make it. Right click on it, go to that rename, keep it short, CSS JS or JS you can make it js.jsp. Done. Once we'll rerun it, after rerun it will go on project, it will refresh, everything will go away. Now see, let us wait together for getting output. This is that login, this is the time taking, this is a time consuming application because it is basically built on which one? GSP and Servlet. See, this is simple application. I have refreshed it, but still it is keep loading. See, still going on. So this is what, since it is having one page or two page only, and that is in that case also we are able to see it is taking a lot of time, isn't it? For this reason we have shifted to that later on newer version of technology, that is a Spring or a Spring Boot and microservices, right? That has made application, same application, very lightweight and very fast, very effective, very quick interval of time that application is getting executed, isn't it? So same project we are getting displayed, we are getting run, but reason was what? Bulky, due to bulky in nature, taking a lot of times. Now it has given response, right? Yes. Now we can see that navbar gone, right? No any home, no any login, no any register, isn't it? Because we have moved that all bootstrap bootstrap code and CSS in separate folder. In which package? Component, isn't it? So we need to call this manually on each page. How we are going to do that? On that index over here we'll be calling it how? Percent at the rate include file equal to, and we need to give over here, and this one, this include means what? This is the same syntax you are able to see over here, JSP tag, right, which we are using to include any external resources into this JSP, right? So this is what at the rate include, then file, and in this file we need to give that address component, then after component, then what we are having? Slash, then we are having which one? Nav bar dot JSP. this navbar till and unless will add this css, right? Css folder where we need to add in that home page. Add the read include file equal to component slash js dot jsp. Done, right? Yes, the same thing we need to add it on each page, on home also, on login also, save it, on register also, save it, on that's it. Then this, which one we need? This one. Control C, Control X, come to the home, Control V, Control S, then on login, come down, paste it, Control S, then on register, come down, paste it, save it. Is that been done? Yes, it is been done. Now let us come on this project and execute it, refresh it. We can see that still it is not available, right? Let us go on home page. Still it is not available.
We
Yes,
have to
rerun
rerun
this
this
project. We
project.
need to rerun. So we'll see it after rerunning. I think something gone wrong. File component component slash navbar.jsp. What happened then? Execution got failed on that server. Let us see together that why it is not working. Now it came, right? Once we'll click on home, we are able to see that on that home also it is available. If we'll click on this register, we are able to see that register page also it is available. If we'll click on that which one, on this login, over here also we are able to see that on login page it is available now, right? Yes. So expense tracker, if will click, nothing is there. On home it is available. On this expense tracker, if will click, that index page should get loaded. So for that, in that navbar.jsp, over here on this one, we can provide which one, expense tracker. Over here hash I color href. Over here give that index.jsp. Control S. That's it. So this is front end part. In this we would have seen that home.jsp, index.jsp, login.jsp, as well as so on that home page we can, on that index page we can give one images. That image, let us see, come here and let us find image finder. right click on it, and then save as. Why it is not showing? Save as. Now download it. Done. Music, expense tracker, go inside exp1. No, this is not API format, it is available. So let me download this. No, only API format. No, download it for free. It is having very huge size actually. 1 plus 10.8 MB. Can't load this now. So this is very having huge size. Let me go with another. Yes, can. So in that picture or in that music expense tracker, and put this which one, exp1. This is done. Then we'll go with that another one. What will that another one? Expense tracker. Remove this. Then we'll go with this one. Expense tracker. Okay. Save image. System is getting hanged again and again, so we can see it over here. This is also API format. We will not go with this because we need either JPG or PNG.